Hello and welcome to MarineMax and Stuart. My name is Brian McLand. Today we're going to take you guys through a quick walkthrough of a new brokerage listing. We have a 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer coupe style. Really beautiful boat, single owner, all services up to date. This boat has been maintained to an excellent level. So this is where the boat sits and lives. We have the Horizon hull side color with a black gel stripe. Ties in nicely to the black framing of the windshield. So again, this is a coupe, so we have a full windshield and full windows on the side with helm air conditioning. We also have the upgraded engine package, the triple 250 Mercuries with joystick control. Service is up to date on the engines, and the boat is bottom painted. The bottom paint was recently painted just a couple of months ago. You can see this is a beautiful boat. Hull side is in great condition. No scratches or anything to be found. Same with the top sides. When the boat's not in use, it stays fully covered. We have a bow cover and an aft cover that you'll see in the photos. So we'll step aboard here in the back. As I mentioned, we have the white triple 250s with, he does keep them fully covered. Sea deck along the transom and throughout the cockpit. Everything on the top side and interior looks beautiful. The sea deck's in great shape. Same with the interior upholstery. As we walk through the starboard side, we have a freshwater washdown, safety gate for the transom here on the back. And this will lead you to a very spacious cockpit. We do have the cockpit table, which is currently stowed away underneath the aft hatch. And as I mentioned, the boat's in immaculate condition. All the upholstery is really, really nice. This stays fully covered when the boat's not in use. We do have the aft sunshade that'll pull along or extend off the back of the boat. We do have a nice prep station with an additional seat, refrigerator, cooler, sink, trash can. It is optioned out with the upgraded sunroof. So between the AC, the sunroof, and the two side vents, you get plenty of natural airflow. And then this leads you up to a state-of-the-art electronics package. We have upgraded SIMRADs, upgraded audio, automatic Lenco trim tabs, Mercury joystick, digital throttle and shift, and a great line of sight while you're operating the boat. We do have a sliding window. Makes it really easy to open, close this area off. Leads you up to the bow, where we have a windlass anchor, storage, safety rails, and bow seating. With the upgraded electronics, we do have the SIMRAD radar, VHF antenna. We'll head down to the air-conditioned cabin. We have the forward berth. It's a nice V-berth. We do have the cushion that goes on top of the table to create a nice forward sleeping area. Refrigerator, microwave. This boat has never been slept in. An aft sleeping area. You can see your aft isinglass and your cockpit filler cushion that goes on top of the table. Again, this is Brian McLand with MarineMax and Stuart. We're on a 2023 Sea Ray 320 coupe. Please feel free to give us a call. You can reach me directly at 561-635-6811. Be happy to tell you about the boat and schedule a showing. You can also click on the link below to view the full listing. Thank you again for watching.